Welcome back, kids. Today we will learn two important Arabic words, the transliteration of mosque and home.
In Arabic, mosque is called masjid.
And home is called Beit.
Rayhan and Rima are two cute kids who love to go to the mosque, masjid, with their family. Their parents are going for the holy pilgrimage, so they decide to drop Rayhan and Rima at their grandparents' home.
Kids are overjoyed. They love spending time at their grandparents. As they reach their grandparents' home, everyone is filled with joy and love.
It's evening now, time for prayer. So they all go to the mosque together. Masjid. After prayers, they return to the home,
Beit.
enjoy a delicious dinner, and share stories. Then it's time for a good night's sleep.
In upcoming video, we will enjoy learning kids' activities with grandparents. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time with more fun stories and Arabic words. Share with your friends and family.